The 8-core Ryzen 7 5700X offers exceptional performance at a really low price. So if you can stretch your budget a little over $1,000 and want to get the best value PC, I have put together a PC build that represents the same incredible value as the 5700X. Each of these parts pushes the limits of what it means to be fast and budget friendly at the same time. Starting with the motherboard, I chose the MSI Meg B550 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi. I chose it because it offers everything that you could ask for in a motherboard, from a great VRM, near perfect I/O, and a great price. It covers all the essentials and also gives a few extra features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a full array of 5 audio jacks with optical SPDIF. It is a complete motherboard through and through that leaves nothing more to be desired. To cool the 5700X, I chose the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE. It is the most affordable air cooler that can keep the 5700X under 60 degrees Celsius during gaming and long work sessions. It is truly remarkable and has joined the ranks of legendary coolers like the Cooler Master Hyper 212. Since DDR4 RAM prices have come down ever since the launch of DDR5, it is easy to fit a 32GB kit, even at really low budgets. For this build, I chose a 32GB kit of TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan Z. It has 2 sticks of 16GB RAM rated at 3600 MHz at CL18. They're fast and snappy, and 32GB will ensure not running out of memory anytime soon. For storage, the crucial B5 Plus 2TB is a top-notch PCIe 4.0 drive featuring a DRAM cache. It delivers on its promises with an impressive read speed of 6600 megabytes per second, making it one of the best value M2 SSDs. I recommend this SSD because it offers high-speed performance and ample storage capacity without needing to compromise between the two. For the GPU, I went with the MSI Gaming Z Trio Radeon RX 6800. The RX 6800 is a living proof that the previous generation cards are still competitive against the latest GPUs from NVIDIA and AMD. It has 16GB of VRAM and can play all the latest titles in 1440p Ultra settings at 60 frames per second or more. I really wanted to go with the RX 7800 XT, but in terms of value, the 6800 is identical to the 7800 XT. The 7800 XT is 25% more expensive and offers 25% more performance. At $389, it is near impossible to find a card that not only offers amazing 1080p and 1440p performance, but also offers entry-level 4K gaming performance at such a low price. To house this entire PC, I chose the NZXT H5 Flow. It is a stunning mid-tower ATX case that has deep grooves for easy cable management and optimal airflow. The case is slightly small to be able to fit 3 fans in the front, and yet NZXT found a solution. The bottom fan is tilted by 45 degrees, which lets it fit in a smaller case, as well as provide direct cool air to the GPU. If I ever get confused about choosing a case, I always resort to the H5 Flow, thanks to being near perfect in all areas. Lastly, I never skimp on power supplies, and for this PC, I chose the new 2023 version of the Corsair RM750E, 750-watt, 80-plus gold-rated power supply. It is one of the most affordable ATX 3.0 PCIe 5.0, which means that it comes with the newer 12 VHPWR cable for the RTX 30 and 40 series. You can always swap out parts as you like as long as you have the strong and reliable power supply that can handle even the worst situations. This entire PC is quite efficient as well and consumes just about 200 watts of power. Upgrading the GPU later down the line will be a non-issue as there is plenty of headroom. In conclusion, if you're aiming for a PC with the Ryzen 7 5700X that leaves little to no room for improvement, then this is the ideal value PC build for me. It's fitted with the most reliable and performant parts that were chosen specifically to perform, last a long time, and are really affordable. The estimated budget for everything is around $1,130.